Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel. So my friends over at Core Essentials wanted to send me another belt, so this time we're going to be taking a look at the X3 buckle with the brown leather gun belt. Now, if you guys don't remember, these are the guys over at Core Essentials. They make these really awesome EDC gun belts that are, I mean, they're really awesome belts. They're very sturdy, very thick carrying. They also have duty belts and stuff like that for, you know, like law enforcement, SWAT. This is the belt protector if you're carrying a holster. But yeah, just really cool stuff. You'll see. Here's your sizes instructions manual. Some videos on it. Mine's the 1.5 inch gun belt. That's the one that we have today. The craftsmanship on this is very good. These are ratcheting system belts. So this is the belt buckle here. Really cool design and style. I think I need some more light here for this. Yeah, we need some more light. So check this out. This is really, that's so awesome. See, actually, when I ordered the belt, I was thinking it wasn't the ratchet system. It was, you know, your typical regular belt. But no, look at the finish on that. That's just insane. It's really nice. Yeah, so patented ratcheting system. This is your release for these. See, it's this is where you're gonna, I'll show you, we're gonna actually try to do this in real time. Last time I didn't, I apologize. How we're gonna set this up. So there's your buckle. Here's the tools that we're gonna use. This is for the two here, and then you got some extras. And the other one, we actually got the belt carrier, or the it's a little hanger you can put in your closet. So since I've been wearing that other belt, the wife has been trying to literally steal it from me. It's really funny because they're really nice belts. So I'm excited to see. This belt would be really popular for people going to church. Just more of a stylish kind of belt. Look at this. This is really cool. Here's your ratcheting system here. But look at the stitching on this. This is the brown leather. Yeah, so really awesome. Top grain leather. So these got a power core center. So these are actually like impregnated with keeps it super rigid. I mean, look at this. So if you're carrying, like, you know, obviously your gun or EDC, like for me, the reason why I really like these belts is I carry flashlights like the Tiny Monster from Nightcore at work on my belt, and these little nylon flimsy belts, they just do not provide support. So that's what I've been doing personally. I've been carrying really heavy flashlights and other things on my belt with these, so it's been working great. So the way you want to do this is you're going to look up your size. So you got your sizing here, and we're going to look at okay. So this one's only up to size 44. Okay. Okay, so this belt only goes up to size 44, which is not going to fit me, but you know what's funny? It will fit the wife. So we're going to go ahead and attach our equipment here to this belt, and we're going to take a look at how it ratchets here. Yeah, I wasn't aware. I'll have to talk to them about that next time. That's fine. The wife can wear it. She can test it out for us. Maybe I can get her on the channel, huh? That's a good idea. I can use it as an excuse to get her on here. Or you guys time to meet her. But we'll see. She's camera shy, so. Anyway, so what we're going to do. So I don't have to cut the belt. But what we will do is we're going to start by loosening these guys. It's very important to follow the instructions when it says to not tighten these down too tight, and I will show you why. Oop. You don't have to. Are these screws? No, they're not different. They got little spikes on them, so they bite into the belt. Let's see here. Okay, and then we're going to lift that one up, right? And then we're going to your trigger system to loosen it is going to be on your bottom side. So we're going to insert the belt from this direction. Okay. And when you do this, you push it all the way again in until it butts up all the way to the back side. And then we're going to tighten, we're going to clamp down these teeth. This guy right here. It takes a little bit. Oh, okay. Ooh, that was a good one. All right. Wow. Okay. So once you got that pressed in there, that's a really good thing that it's really that tight or that hard to get that shut, because you don't want your belt falling out. And then these you do not want to over tighten, because if you over tighten these, you're going to push that out. So what I do is I just tighten it down until it feels pretty good. I don't really feel like they're going to back out. And that sucker is in there. And of course you keep the tool, so if you have to adjust it later. So yeah. And then of course you've got your belt protector here, so you can not have to deal with it, your holster messing it up. But so the ratcheting system, so if you can see this, and it's locked in there, and so to unlock it, you pull the handle, the spring-loaded part right here. Sorry, I mean this work. I don't have a lot of room to work with, but see, you pull it forward, and do it with my left hand. Pull it forward and just zip it out. Really awesome design. I'm really liking the belts, to be honest. I really like to get try some of the other ones. So maybe they'll be cool enough and they'll let us just see some more of these. Isn't that really cool, guys? And it's just sturdy. I mean, it's on there. It's not going nowhere. But look at this design. That's so clean. The finish on that's just, I like it. Very stylish. Very well made materials. So I like that leather sound. That new leather. But yeah, check. Just do one more. Put it in. Very satisfying when you close it. I like that every day too, because you know it's on and you know it's not coming off. You know what I mean? So, if you guys are interested in these belts, I will leave a link in the description. Please go check them out. They're awesome people. They sell a lot of different things over there too. So they have a lot of accessories and gear made to last. So this is a. So they've got battle belts, duty belts, competition belts, executive protection belts. I think this might be the. I don't know if this is the executive. I don't remember. It's a good. No, it's just the X3 buckle. But anyway, so there's other one. Oh, they've got a bunch of other things here for the other ones. This is like basic instructions you can send out, but cool stuff. Anyway, guys, yeah, so that'll do it for today's video on the Core Essentials X3 buckle with a brown leather gun belt. And until next time, guys, have a good one.